Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on ordered pairs worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on ordered pairs. Now we've already had a lesson on this, so if you're not sure what to do here, all you need to do is to go to the next slide, directly to the next slide, and there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. So let's very briefly go through and see what's required. On this side we have the following direction. Find the ordered pairs for each of the points A to J on the number plane. Okay, so A to J, that gives us 10 points, and they're all put down here. So basically, if we go to the first one, which is this one. Now in the lesson, I talked about an ordered pair being two numbers, an X value and a Y value, and that's how they are presented. So any point on the number plane can be designated or found with two separate points. Two separate numbers. So each of these is a separate number. That is called an X coordinate, and that's called a Y coordinate. They are individual numbers. So let's just do the first one to give you a quick idea. We always start here. I said in the lesson that 0, 0. Oops, I've just given that answer. That's okay. Let's pretend I didn't do that. We start here, and we want to find each of the single digits, or those digits there, see them? That one and that one, to locate that point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the X value is 5, so if we have, this is how we write it. 5. Now from here, how far up do we have to go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there we are. So we have located the point A, which is 5, 6. Now all this is explained in the lesson, so now you can do all of those. Over here, I have given you each of the points. So from A to H, so here we have 8 separate points. And all you have to do is look at them carefully, the X value and the Y value, and just put the dots on the number plane. So that's really all you have to do. So it's that straightforward. And basically the worksheet has given you some practice in locating points on a number plane. We've seen how you need two numbers to locate a single point, an X value and a Y value. When we write that down, it's called an ordered pair. The reason it's called an ordered pair is the X comes first and the Y comes second in that order. And finally, the next slide has the link to the lesson if you need any help. So don't hesitate to click on that link.